So Phil, what do we got here?
So this one here is a database server, a distributed database, a Hadoop platform. It's very good at running the current distributed database platforms. A lot of the white papers out now for Hadoop suggest a 3-to-1 hard drive to NVMe ratio. So I've got 12 3.5-inch hard drives here, and I've got 4 U.2 NVMe bays. And the party trick this thing has is I've got a hard drive tray, a drawer that pulls out. So on previous iterations of this kind of platform, you'd have to take the whole server outside of the rack. And that's a mess with cables, cable management, things like that. You just don't want to do it. So with this, you've got a pair of levers right here, and this slides out. And I've got 12 3.5-inch drive bays. So I don't have to worry about pulling the chassis out of the rack. It's just there and it's easy to get to. And these drive trays are also toolless. This is an engineering prototype. These have screw holes, but the one that we're shipping, it is toolless. So it's toolless for 3.5-inch drive trays. You slap it in there, and we've got yourself 12 hard drives in an easy to maintain package. And one of the things that's important for these kind of workloads is you want a high core count ratio, and it's typically lower cost to go with 2 mid-range core count processors than 1 really high core count CPU. So this is designed to tackle that workload. We'll have 2 options with this one. People like to use low-cost SATA hard drives to bring the cost of the platform down. So I have an optional SAS controller on this. You don't need to use it, but it is there if you need it. One last thing that I really like about this is people tend to be upset when the chassis gets much bigger than 35 inches deep. You have to get into a bigger rack. You're talking 1.2 meter territory. So we kept the chassis short. This thing is about 35 inches deep. And so that way we maintain outstanding rack compatibility. So